Hello, it's Stacie and
Kagee.
what are we gonna do today?
Put makeup on mommy.
Ooh, good.
I'm gonna put the makeup on mommy. I'm gonna do it as good as she does to me.
And I suck at makeup.
I'm gonna try. No, Mama, you do great.
Oh, thank you. Well,
You
do
do
great.
better on me.
I do better on you?
Yes.
I
that
think
is
you do better
true.
on me. So I've got all my old makeup laid out, and I don't really wear makeup, but I've just had this for probably years, and it probably needs to get thrown in the trash or given away to her. But
And sometimes she's gonna give me that cool box
yes,
that I really wanted somewhere that she already has.
yes. So what we're going to do today is I've got everything laid out, and I'm going to kind of assist her in knowing where what goes, if I even know where what goes. But other than that, this is going to be all Callie's. Are you ready to get started?
I think so.
Okay. So I cannot see without my glasses, so this is going to be fun. So
Can you see? Can you see?
No. All right. So I can sort of tell what stuff is what. All right, little girl. This right here is Avon Ideal Flawless Invisible Coverage Liquid Foundation. It's in the...
It's magical.
Yes, it's in the color Z101.
No, Mama, your eyes are magical. You can actually see the thing.
Oh, I have to hold it up. It's bad. But I've had this for forever, and we'll see if it makes my face fall off. Alright, little girl, so...
It ain't gonna make your face fall off.
It's not gonna make my face fall off?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just gonna pump it on my hand, and then you get to put this on my face. Do you love makeup?
Sure I do. I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about makeup?
My favorite part about makeup is that I actually get to wear makeup too.
Oh, okay.
But I don't, like, wear it anywhere.
Yeah, we don't wear it outside the house. We just wear it for fun, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Yeah, I wear it for fun. But you wear your makeup outside the house. Only lipstick. And I like wear the lipstick that you put on me
Yeah.
outside the house. It's really hard. Oh yeah. I keep on forgetting.
It's okay. I'll turn my face.
I keep on forgetting that it's right there that I'm supposed to get from right there.
Are you ready to go to school?
Sure.
What's your favorite part of school?
That you learn.
Yeah. What do you like learning the most?
I don't know. Like most everything.
You like to learn everything?
Mostly, I think.
Okay.
And I love going to school.
Good job. You know,
There's hair stuck in your thing, but I'm sorry.
it's okay. You know, school's in 2 weeks, right? Actually, less than 2 weeks.
How much weeks?
Like a week and a half.
If it made your face fall off, it will fall off right now. Because I put actually a lot on your face.
You do?
You can still see like the things there.
Okay.
Mush, 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 mush. Mush, 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 mush. This is kind of soft. This, I want to feel it. Oh, that's soft. You just did that on camera, Mama.
Ooh. Okay.
I think we're ready.
We're ready? We're done with that? Okay.
What do you want to do next?
We're done with the foundation. Let's see.
It surely smells like foundation
I
right
know, it
now.
kind of smells funky, doesn't it? Alright, so this is some Wet n Wild pressed powder in the shade 821E Warm Light, and I've had this for a while as well.
Does it go on?
Yes. So that's foundation, and then I think you can put this on top of the foundation. We're learning together. And then we're using just an Avon brush.
It's super cute. Mama, you can barely see the cheek thing.
You can?
Yeah, you can barely. Yeah, you can barely see that.
Is it even doing anything? Rub it in there, girl. You gotta put it all on the face. It goes everywhere that you put foundation, I think. We could be totally messing this up, and I'm telling you completely wrong. You might need to start watching some YouTube videos on how to do makeup. What you think?
Mm-hmm. Thanks, Gamma. There we go.
Alright, you're done? Okay. So,
what do you want to do next?
let's see. Now we have...
Lipstick, please.
Alright, we're going to do lipstick. Okay, so we have chapstick.
You want to do chapstick
I always
first?
start with chapstick, yes, because I have dry lips.
I think I got some of the foundation on my lips. I think I got some foundation on your lips.
It'll be okay. Maybe that'll add to the character. Alright, so we have 3 different options. We got some type of CoverGirl Kiss of Peach.
Oh.
And then we got, this came in that little Ulta Beauty
Is it mine?
thing. It could be. And it's Nude Shimmer. And then this is L'Oreal Paris something another. Alright, girlfriend. So you want to do a combination? Ooh, that one looks a little rough.
Yeah, that one was rough.
Do you want, which one do you want to do? Or do you want to do a combination?
Combination of this and this.
That and that? Okay.
Because that's a little rough.
I know, that's a little rough. Like, that's a little rough.
I might want to do foundation of all of it. It looks kind of cute.
It does? Okay, here. There's that.
First, I think I'm going to do this.
Okay, first you're going to do that.
Because it looks like my thing.
Okay.
It actually, Mama, it actually it only lights up your thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's way lighter.
It's shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer. Okay.
Let's try
Now
this
what
one
we're gonna
next.
You going to?
Okay. Okay, this is
Here.
gonna be not great. This is not good.
Here we go. Pop it up. There you go.
I'll begin to. Oh, I think it's already up, maybe.
I ate it.
Why did you eat it?
Playing I didn't. Alright, so you're done with that one? Okay. Alright, so
Oh.
now what we're doing.
This one? This is the only one that does it. Change the color. That changes the color. You look way better. You look way
Dang,
good.
I didn't look good before.
Yeah, you did look good, but you look good right now.
Alright, so this is a little bit of Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. So do you want to do that first? Alright, so I think highlighter you're supposed to put everywhere that you want a little bit of something something. And you want to use the, what is this, the Wet n Wild brush. Dab just a little bit on there. Ooh. Okay, or, no, ooh. Ooh. Okay, you do you, boo-boo.
What, Mama? Does it only go on your cheeks?
Is it shiny? You can put it anywhere if you want it to shine.
It's really hard to see it, but it's there.
Okay, is it there?
It's really hard to see the sparkles.
Okay. Alright, so then, now what do you want? You want to do the eyes? We have options. This is Wet n Wild, I think, again. If you can't tell, I went to Walmart one day and just bought up some Wet n Wild. 380B, Walking on Eggshells.
Oh, that's what
So
you
there's
said.
that, and I've obviously used the pink one a bit. And then that one there is one of the old school Avons.
Oops,
and
I got it on the table, Mama. I just
It's fine.
pressed a little bit.
it's fine, girlfriend.
And
and
you
it's-
used some of the pink, Mama.
Yeah, I used a bunch.
I think I'm wanting
You
to
can
use
use a
this.
few different colors because
I think
the
I'm gonna want to
eyes
use.
are your palette.
I'm gonna do this on your eyes. It's really shiny, so that's why I picked it.
Okay. Is it going on shiny?
Yep, and I can even see the color.
You take these right here and then you can curl your eyelashes.
So let's try that. Is it hot?
Do you see any difference?
No. Let me try.
Oh, girl. Oh. Oh, here. Because you got me scared. There we go.
I don't even get to do this.
Girl, that's dealing with my eyes. I like my eyes. Alright. Then this is a brow pencil by Wet n Wild, and she's seen some better days as well. These you just, Like you're coloring my eyebrows.
Coloring.
Don't color them too dark. Color them this way.
I'm gonna try to make them that like.
Yeah. Okay. And then here's a little brush on this end, and you can brush them. Brush them eyebrows, girl.
Brush.
Oh, you brush them this way. No, you brush that one that way. There you go.
So this is supposed to be.
Yep. They go out. Yep.
Okay.
All right. So you're done with that one.
Okay.
Okay. So now all we have left is, do you want to do eyeliner? It goes right by the eyeballs.
This literally looks like lipstick.
Yeah. Okay. So that one, you can draw near where the eyelashes are at.
I think this makes something lighter. I don't think it did anything.
You don't think it did anything? Here, let's see. Watch right here.
Ah! That's creepy. Okay.
Alright, did it do anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. Are you going to do this or am I?
I feel like I'm sorry, I think I just left
Be
that.
very gentle whenever you're doing on the eyelashes, okay?
Don't do it bad. Oh, if you move, that would be bad. I'm trying to be as good as I can be. You're beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Look at yourself. I'm sorry, but it's kind of hard.
It's okay, girl.
I got a little bit cold there, Mom.
You know what happens? Whenever it dries, you can get it off. Alright, so how does it look?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. You love it? You do?
Is
Alright,
this done?
let me look. Oh, girl, look at you. Look at you. Oh, it's
Yeah.
okay.
And it
You know what?
kind of like-
My glasses help to disguise it. And that's what it is.
I can still see it.
Alright, so how do you think you did on a scale from 1 to 10? 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. What do you think you did?
I feel like 10 maybe.
Yes, I think so too.
Maybe
You-
9.
9? You gonna leave me hanging with my high five? Oh, good
I
job.
did backwards.
Yeah, good job. All right. I think you did a really great job, and I think you know way more than what I do. And I'm very proud of you, and I've had a lot of fun. Have you?
Yes.
Do you want to do this again
Bye.
sometime? Oh, you trying to get going, huh?
No, I'm just trying to say bye.
Okay, so you want to do this again sometime?
Maybe we can do a video with a girls' night out.
Oh, girls' night out in. We
No.
like them girls' night out ins.
No, I want to do a video of girls' night out.
Oh, we actually go somewhere?
Yes.
Oh.
Without the boys.
Okay, so,
Yeah, let's do a video another time.
okay. So if you've enjoyed this video and you think Callie did a wonderful job, by the way, she's only 6 years old.
And put a like up it.
Yes. Leave her a little comment down below letting her know how great of a job she did, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
They
Bye.
might. Mama, say scale to 1 or 10. Which
Okay.
one do you think?
Okay, from scale to
People
1 to
out
10.
there.
Okay. All right.
1's the lowest, 10's the highest, okay?
Okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Good job.